Casey Guy 2 here, No Nonsense, No How. Today, some quick instructions on how to replace the cabin air filter on this 2016 BMW 320i. It's going to be located right here under your glove box. So remove two 10mm nuts, one right here and one over here. And then you're going to be able to just kind of pop this whole panel down, starting over here. There might be a better technique, but you know, you got these two quick clips up here. Be wary how this thing comes apart, not to break anything. And over here, you got that, slip that back. And then of course you got this one connection right here. Slip that off of there. And boom, so that's down out of our way. Got one more connector right here. And this one you kind of just push down a little bit, wiggle and pull back, slides right off of there. Now you're gonna use a T20 Torx like that and remove this one and that one right there. You can pop this whole cover off like so, and your filter basically starts falling out of there. So you got like a hose connection on that side. Looks like you can just leave it, but you can see this thing gets in here on an angle, kind of contoured in there. So pop that out. You can see this one, it's pretty dirty, but customer requested a new one based on mileage, so you're gonna go ahead in there. Make sure to note your airflow. You know, airflow goes that way, just like the arrows. And compare it to your new one, looks the same. Got the arrows going in the same direction. So I'm gonna take this, bend this, shove that back up in the hole like that, and button her back together. Don't think I need to show you anything else. This, when you're putting this on, be very careful. You gotta line this clip up over here, and you know, line the quick clips up on here and get that all lined up good before you push it up, and then secure those two 10mm. Anyway, that's how you do it. I think that's all the information you need to know on it, and give the video a thumbs up if it helps out. Definitely appreciate that. Also, check out the link down below. I'll put a link in there for a new cabin filter on Amazon for you. Thanks a lot. Casey Guy 2, No Nonsense, No How. I'll see you.